Hello everyone, welcome. So the mode of
Hello.
meeting will be like I will be modeling on Avaz. I'll be talking and I will be modeling on Avaz, and we everything the schedule and everything will be done through Avaz, and or any communication device you are using or any picture mode you are using, you can use that. And what we are going to do, uh, we will start with a welcome message, and then we will see who all friends have joined today, and after that we can have a brief introduction of each other through our AC devices. Then I have a quiz for you. So the name of the quiz is, as I don't have crores to give, so I have changed the name from Kaun Banega Crorepati to Kaun Banega Mahakapuri. Okay. We will do a crore rupees clap for the friend who will answer. Okay. And after the quiz time, we can talk about our festival. Whatever festival you want to talk about, you can talk about that festival using either through typing or through Avaz or through your picture mode, whatever way you want to do. And then we have, we will be concluding our meeting with one dandiya, one song on dandiya, one dandiya song, and we can dance together, and then we can share how did we like the meeting, how did we like meeting our friends, and after the feedback we can say bye bye to each other. Okay, so I'll be starting now with the welcome message. Welcome everyone to the Sunrise AAC Gupshup Meet. I think everyone is excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. You can
Okay.
show me on your board or your tablet.
Yes. That's
Everyone is
good.
excited. Yes. We are going to have a lot of fun. Yes, we are going to do lot of laughter. We are going to have lot of fun. We are going to meet new friends. We know each other. And the theme for today is our festivals. So festival season is coming up. We are going to talk about festivals, and आज हम अपने festival mood में आ जाएंगे. It's only few days left to begin the Navratri season, so we will start gearing up. And your hosts for today are me, Vandana, and with me is, who is this?
Saksam.
Saksham. We are the host for today, and I think now we are ready to have some fun time. The schedule will be like this: introduction, after that a quiz time, then talking time, then dance time, and then we can say bye bye. This is our schedule for the day. Introduction, quiz time, talking time, dance time, and bye bye time. And today's Gapodis are, let's introduce the Gapodis today. We have Veer. Veer, are you there?
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
To talk about yourself? Come on, talk about yourself. Go to Veer. Go to Veer. Yes.
Yes, we have Pura.
Look now.
Pura. Yes. We have Saksham. Saksham, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
We will wait. When you have to say your introduction, then you will give.
We have Rachit.
Rachit,
Rachit,
is there
yeah.
here with you?
Yes.
Bye.
Rachit, you are here?
Yes.
Goodbye.
Yes, Rachit is there.
Goodbye.
And we have a new friend today.
Uh-huh.
And our new friend is
Yes.
Ahan.
Ahan.
Yes. So, this is the code for the day. Now we'll start with the introduction. So, first introduction comes from V.
चलो. Now you can start. What is your name? से start करना है. My name is.
You can
My name is.
start with
What else? और क्या बताना है? No finish. Very good. Or what else do you want to say about yourself? What else do you want to say about yourself? Birthday. पापा ने I use आवाज कर दो. I use आवाज. Okay, thank you. Delete. 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 तो क्या?
very good.
और सुनना है वो और भी बता सकता है. Okay.
हम टॉकिंग टाइम में और बातें करेंगे.
हाँ. Okay.
Very nice. Now next friend is Purab. Purab, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Purab.
Yes.
Gupshup.
Guts up.
My name is Purab. I am 12 years old. I like to cook. I like to hear songs.
PC का full form.
I study in Sunrise Learning.
PC का full form.
My
PC का
mummy's
full form.
name is
PC का full form.
Sonali.
PC का full form.
My papa's name is Dr. Ajay. My brother's name is UV.
Very good, Purab.
I live in Pratik Laurel, Noida. My phone number is 9873749118. I am so happy to be in Gupshup meeting. Thank you.
Very nice, Purab. Very good. Very good. Our next friend is Saksham. Introduce yourself.
My name is Saksham.
अपने बारे में बताओ.
Where we?
Very good.
I live in Noida. I do swimming and skating.
Very good, Saksham. Very good. So Saksham has introduced himself, and now let's see who is the next friend. Our next friend is Rachit. Rachit, it's your turn.
Yes.
Hi. Go back, Lily.
What you will say? Hi.
Hello. Go back.
Think about me.
Go back.
Let me think out.
Go back.
1 second. Huh?
Go back.
Yes. बस कर यहाँ
My name is Rachit. I am 16 years old. I live in.
Hi.
I use Avaz to talk. Avaz is my voice. My hobbies are listen music. Lily.
Now what you will say? Wait, बच्चा. What you will say? Thank you.
Very good, Rachit. Very good. Yes. Now our friend is Ahan. Ahan, you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Ahan. I live in Delhi. I use Avaz for talking. My father's name is Saurabh. My mother's name is Monica.
That's all. Very good, Ahan. Very good. So everybody introduced themselves so nicely. Very nice. Let's move to next part of our schedule. And introduction is introduction part is finished. And now we are going to start with quiz time. So everyone, please get up for the quiz time.
Ready.
Okay, you can open your Avaz festival vocabulary, or you can bring your cards if you want to use the cards. And then we are starting with the quiz.
Is it all right?
Wait.
Wait for 10 minutes.
Wait for 1 second. I will count to 3 and then we'll start. And you can keep on counting how many answers were right. Okay?
Ma'am, which vocabulary should we open? Hindi, general, or advanced?
No. Advanced में festivals हो गए.
Chocolate.
Search festivals.
हाँ वो तो किया उसमें एडवांस भी है और हिंदी जनरल भी है.
Advanced वाले ले लो. I'm showing here. See, all the festivals are here.
Onion, tomato, Maggie.
Pointing will also count. Okay, we can do the pointings also. Now I will come. I'm sharing. I'm changing my picture setting. So first question is. The screen is not changing. Just a minute. First question. I'm counting in 3 and then starting. 1, 2, 3, and start.
Go back.
Which festival is called Festival of Lights?
Which festival is called
Yes,
the Festival of Light?
Which festival is called Festival
That's
of
it.
Light?
That's it. Is pointing
So
number
be
4.
done.
That's it.
Yes,
Is
very
fourth
good,
number.
please. Very good. Very good. Very good. All correct? Everyone answered? Okay, good. Keep on noting down how many have you answered.
Yes.
Okay. Next question is, when we do dandiya, in which festival we do dandiya dance? Holi,
Come on, say. Which festival?
Navratri, New Year, 15th August.
Dashera.
chocolate cake.
That's it. Answer
New
this.
party.
Okay. I have the options here. You can also point here.
Okay.
Okay. In case you don't find it or you are finding it difficult to type, you can point here.
Okay.
Rachit, very good. Very good. Navratri is the correct answer here. Okay. Next question.
Chocolate cake.
Ready? Steady? And go. Out of these all festivals, which festival is related to colors, in which we see many colors?
Holi.
हाँ हो गया.
Which
Which festival is related to colors or called Festival of Colors? Done?
Holi.
Yes.
I can hear. Yes, I can hear some answers. Very nice. You can point also. Okay. If you don't find the vocabulary, you can point.
Yeah.
Now you can guess. I don't even need to give the answers. In which festival Santa comes?
Christmas.
When does the Santa come?
Christmas.
Kaji. Yes.
When does Santa come?
We have to answer or we should only point?
You can answer also. You can answer if you can. If you want to answer on typing or on the board, then you can. Yes.
Christmas.
Have you
Yes,
heard that?
I can hear you. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Christmas is the right answer. Santa comes during Christmas time. Okay. Next question is, which festival is Festival of Brothers and Sisters?
Which festival is the
Which
festival of brother
festival
and
out
sister?
of these festival is the festival of brothers and sisters? Which festival out of these festival is festival of brothers and sisters?
Raksha Bandhan.
Very good, Rachit, very good. Everyone has answered. Yes, Veer, very good. Ahan, very good. Okay.
अच्छा रावण
वाला भी आएगा भाई, आएगा. अभी ये देखो, ये कौन सी देवी है? दुर्गा.
He is waiting for the Ravan.
दुर्गा कब आती है? दुर्गा कौन से फेस्टिवल में हम वर्शिप करते हैं दुर्गा की? होली, क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर, दुर्गा पूजा. This was easy.
Chocolate cake.
Very good. Everyone is trying so well. आ गया सबका फेवरेट क्वेश्चन. सबका फेवरेट क्वेश्चन आ गया. देखो, रावण. do
here.
we burn Ravan? हम रावण कब जलाते हैं? कौन से फेस्टिवल में?
Dashera.
हम रावण कौन से फेस्टिवल में जलाते हैं?
Dasara.
दशहरा. वेरी
दशहरा.
गुड एवरीवन, नाइस ट्राई. सब लोग तो बहुत ही अच्छे से कर रहे हो आप. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज when in which festival we do bonfire, आग जलाते हैं and eat peanuts and रेवड़ी. कौन सा फेस्टिवल है जिसमें हम आग जलाते हैं और पीनट्स और रेवड़ी खाते हैं?
कौन सा है? It's not in the list. You can type.
Oh, it is the screen is changing. It is not reflecting here. It's going to come, I think. Okay, now it is in the list. Can you guess which festival we do bonfire? आग जलाते हैं और मूंगफली और रेवड़ी खाते हैं.
Lori.
Lori.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. सब लोग तो बहुत ही अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. इनमें से अभी चेंज ही नहीं हुआ है.
Right.
वेट.
अच्छा सुनो, मैम का क्वेश्चन सुनोगे तो फिर गेम खेल पाओगे ना. कैसे गेम खेलोगे?
When do we celebrate birthday of Shri Krishna?
Pictures.
कृष्ण का बर्थडे कब आता है?
Janmashtami.
कब आते हैं? देखो.
When do we celebrate Krishna's birthday?
चुप करके टाइप करो ना.
Done?
Don't answer.
कोई
Yes,
बात नहीं.
almost done.
Take your time. Take your time. It's okay.
Janmashtami.
Very nice. Very nice.
Meanwhile, you get lost.
It's okay. Last
Yeah.
question of the quiz is गणेशा हमारे घर कब आते हैं? दुर्गा पूजा में, दशहरा में, गणेश चतुर्थी में या शिवरात्रि में?
Chaturthi.
Ganesh Chaturthi. Rachit is also answering the same.
Yes, very good everyone. We can clap for each other. Yes,
Very good.
well done. Out of 10, out of 10. Everybody was so quick. Everybody was so quick. Clap for everyone. Everyone is Mahagapodi today. Everyone is Mahagapodi. Okay. Next, we'll come to our schedule. Did you have fun? Did you have fun in the quiz?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yes.
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 Next, now our quiz time is
Finish.
finished. Quiz time is finished. And the next in the schedule is talking time.
Talking time.
Talking time. And the theme is festivals. So we can start with the Podis and we can talk about favorite festival. So first time Veer ki aa gayi. Veer, you want to talk about your festival?
Veer has made Ravan. Veer has made a Ravan. Veer is going to talk about Dashera. Yes, Ravan. Okay. Now, talk to us about Dashera. Tell everybody about Dashera. Start first.
Dashera is a festival.
Okay. Then.
This day we burn Ravan. Ravan had 10 heads. Lord Ram killed Ravan with bow and arrow. Dashera is the victory of good over evil.
Delete. 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 Go back. Go back. Go back. Go to hello and thank you.
Thank you.
Delete.
Very nice, Veer. Can you show us your Ravan again?
Show your
I
Ravan.
want to see it again.
Ravan. Show the Ravan to everybody.
Yes, this is so nice. नीचे करो नीचे. Hmm. Wow, very nice Ravan. It is
Ravan.
so very nice.
I'm going to go to college.
Wait.
I cannot see the Veer's Ravan. Can
Yeah.
you show
Can
me
you
again?
see- can you show it again? अच्छा, बैठ जाओ.
For 10 minutes.
Very nice. Clap for Veer and his Ravan.
Vandana, I cannot see anyone in the screen.
Wait.
Pin, Veer, pin.
Yes, now I can.
Now, Ravan.
Can you see?
Arey wah. Very nice. See, Rati? So nice image is
Very good, Veer. Veer के लिए clap.
Veer, can you show it again? I'll click a picture.
Okay.
With Veer's face also.
वीर का वीरू ये ऐसे.
Ah, very beautiful.
चलो. Ravan. Yes.
Ravan, very good.
Ravan को we are going to burn.
Thank you, Veer. Thank you very much. Next friend is Purab. Purab,
Yes, ma'am. आप ये दिखाएंगे जो आपने दिए बनाए हैं. पकड़ेंगे both hands को. Yes. And show it to both all your friends and ma'am. And tell this is diya. Made with paper and paint. पकड़ लो. Yes.
Super.
Ma'am, these are paper
Very pretty.
flowers that he has made.
very good. Purab. Very nice.
इनको हम कौन से फेस्टिवल पे जलाएंगे? कौन से
Ravan, they had
फेस्टिवल
made
पे
it
जलाएंगे?
candlelight
Diwali.
na?
Yes. Diwali.
अच्छा पूरब आपका फेवरेट फेस्टिवल कौन सा है? सबसे अच्छा फेस्टिवल कौन सा लगता है?
बता दो. आपका फेवरेट फेस्टिवल इज? मैम
होली. Holy. Okay, very good, Purab. That was very nice. Okay, very good. Now next turn is Purab done. Thank you. Saksham, you want to talk about your favorite festival?
Holy.
My
Your favorite festival?
No.
what do you like about Holi?
Holi is festival of colors.
What do you like about Holi?
Holi
हाँ,
is a festival.
ये तो हो गया. क्या अच्छा लगता है? रेन डांस अच्छा लगता है?
Bella
I like. हाँ. Balla dance. Okay, thank you, Saksham. Thank you. So Saksham likes Holi and he likes Balla dance about Holi.
Kriti Seva.
Rachit. Next is Rachit.
My name is Rachit.
Rachit, can you talk about your festival?
Yes.
Say. One second. Let me back. Go back. Yes. Chalo.
Durga Aradhana. Festival of 9 days. Dandiya. Wear new clothes. Eat sweets.
Yay! Now what do you say? Thank you.
Very good, Rachit. Very good. So you like Durga Puja. Very good. Navratri. It's about to come.
Yes. About to come? So what you will eat? Chicken. I love to eat chicken, which I have not written yet.
Okay. Now is our friend Ahan is there?
He is not interested to sit for more time.
Okay, it's okay. He'll next time he'll sit and he'll talk. It's okay. Very good, everyone. Everyone is doing so good. अरे हमारा तो खत्म होने वाला है. The time. Okay, now our dance time is there. Let's go to our schedule, and our talking time is.
You want to go to?
Any mom wants to talk about any festival you like?
Thank you नहीं अभी डांस पार्टी चल रहा है. You want to tell your song? You can tell your song.
Talking time is finished.
लकड़ी की काठी.
Gummy.
अच्छा okay
He
गमी.
wants lakdi ki kathi. We have dandiya night today, dandiya day today, and you want
अपने
lakdi ki kathi. I am playing lakdi ki kathi for Veer, and then we'll play one dandiya song. Okay.
चलो.
So anybody has any dandiya song choice? Okay, Alexa, play lakdi ki kathi.
लकड़ी की काठी by Vanita Mishra, Gauri Bapat, Gurpreet Kaur from Hangama Music.
लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की पे जुमारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दम उठा के दौड़ा.
Let's come fast.
लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में थाना आई. घोड़े जी की नाई ने है चावत जो बनाई. चकबक 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 चकबक. घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में थाना आई. घोड़े जी की नाई ने है चावत जो बनाई. दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Finish. Lakdi ki kathi finish.
बस thank you to everybody.
Thank you.
और किसको कौन सा गाना सुनना है? You can give me your choice.
Which song you want to listen?
Song.
Which song do you want to
No,
listen?
no.
Tell ma'am, I will tell you.
Which song?
Han is telling something.
Desi Kalakar.
Desi Kalakar.
कौन सा?
Desi Kalakar. Yo honey.
Lungi dance.
अरे मुझे सर्च करना पड़ेगा। हाँ, मुझे 1 मिनट दे दो जरा।
Lungi
I'm not-
dance.
On come.
Lungi dance.
लुंगी डांस करेंगे आफ्टर देसी कलाकार विल डू लुंगी डांस। मिल गया भाई देसी कलाकार। अभी चल रहा है, ऐड आ रही है, ऐड आ रही है।
अपने आप से या फ्रेश होम ऐप
One thing good about you, LED guys, is
आप फॉरवर्ड कर दो थोड़ा सा।
सारी मुश्किल रख यकीन just you जेड़ा आया साडे विच I gonna kill baby I want I'm the superstar देसी वाला का मैं पुट जटना माने गानी हां यार तेरा superstar देसी वाला का मैं पुट जटना माने गानी हां यार तेरा तुम जानिए एक काम कर खुला कर कट पे हिट फिर लॉक कर फोन रख लिया बट पुल्ली ना ओदा चार्जर हूं एक बैग तैयार कर करना गल सुन होल्ड ऑन इजी डन नाउ टेक योर आईडी
हो गया।
credit card
हो गया?
passport
Okay.
zipper your slipper your freestyle लग गया sticker you
नेक्स्ट चॉइस किसकी थी? लुंगी डांस कोई बोल रहा था मैं।
Rachit's choice is कर गई गुल, कर गई चुल।
कर गई चुल। ओके वेट रचित, गिव मी 1 मिनट।
की बुट्टी देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लटकी नहीं है तू गरम मामला बोलती बंद मैं कहूँ क्या भला कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन गल लगाने आई है बंटन गोड़ी चल गई धाए एक मैं रहती मगर विलती तो रहती कशन दिखाती फुल अरे लड़की बूटी फुल कर गई झुल
Okay, ma'am.
Very good everyone. Purab, what's your choice?
मैम उसने बताया था, बता दो चॉइस फिर से बता दो।
Lungi dance.
लुंगी डांस। अच्छा पूरब तुम्हारा था लुंगी डांस।
Dance by Yo-Yo Honey Singh from Hangama Music.
This is the tribute to Talaiwa from King Khan and one and only Yo-Yo Honey Singer. मूसों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना की जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूसों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना की जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और there's me fan don't miss that chance और there's me fan don't miss that chance चलो जवानी भरा जोर सी बेजान Janita fancy बेजान चलो जवानी भरा जोर सी बेजान Janita fancy बेजान डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा और there's me fan don't miss that chance और there's me fan don't miss that chance नाइटी क्लब में आया मैं तो मुझको रोक
वेरी गुड पूरा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अभी एक डांडिया सॉन्ग भी हो जाए लास्ट। एनी चॉइस फॉर डांडिया सॉन्ग? एनीवन? मम्मास?
कुछ भी चला दो,
डोली तारो। ओके, देखो कौन सा बजाएगी एलेक्सा। मैं एलेक्सा पे छोड़ती हूँ।
हाँ, थक गए वैसे तो डांस करके।
From Hungama Music.
भूलो बदीवार प्रेमनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम थे भूलो बदीवार।
क्या हुआ? एलेक्सा प्ले।
Playing Bluetooth. A cease call from Hungama Music.
गई रात मन भूलो बदीवार प्रेमनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम थे गई रात मन भूलो बदीवार प्रेमनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम थे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगा तारा सबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात सोगा तारा ओरे सबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात रे सोगा तारा ओरे सबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात रे छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगा तारा सबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात सोगा तारा ओरे सबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात रे सोगा तारा ओरे सबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरंग जुए तारी बात रे
टाइम ओवर
वेरी गुड, सबने तो बहुत ही अच्छा डांस किया, मजा आ गया। So now is the time for our feedback. Feedback time. अब आप बताओगे मुझे कि आपको आज कैसा लगा?
Enjoy your fun.
Enjoy and fun.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Yes.
You enjoy?
Yes, then. Chocolate ice cream.
अब वीर नहीं है, मैं बता रही हूँ how I felt.
Okay.
I felt amazing.
Very good. Okay, Rachit, how did you feel?
Rachit is typing.
Okay. I'm waiting.
How did you feel?
Hungry.
Hungry. Okay. Tired. Okay. ठीक है. वापस आओ.
डांस करके रचित थक गया। डांस करके रचित को
बॉडी हिलती नहीं है. Tired. Okay.
How did you feel?
Happy.
Happy.
Saksham is saying happy. Happy. Ahan, did you like it?
पूरे वापस बता दो.
Did you like it?
और आपको अच्छा लगा?
I feel happy.
Arre वाह, Ahan, very good, very good. Everybody
Rachit is saying wonderful.
Wonderful. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. अभी next time new ideas के साथ आएंगे सब लोग, okay? Then have more fun with new ideas. And for till then, we can wish everyone a very good festival time. Happy Dussehra, Happy Navratri, Happy Navratri, Happy Durga Puja, and bye-bye.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
दिवाली का भी कर लेना डांस पार्टी.
अच्छा
Lily,
करो करो हम आएंगे।
bye.
आप करो हम आएंगे।
डांडिया में आ जाना सब लोग। वी हैव डांडिया। आई स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग नाउ।
दिवाली get together बनती है मैम।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, बाय।